it's your girl, Jackie Aina. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Really take, we're gonna do a look with Jackie Aina's palette. Hey. I am so excited, and guess what? I have not opened it yet. Like, I've seen it in store, but I have not opened mine. Like, look at this, look at her packaging. If you know Jackie, you know she loves like a good package, bro. It's just so beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so excited. If y'all hear some squeaking or barking or crying, it's Bear. I'm watching him right now. Like, I don't want him to be in the kennel, and he's a puppy. I can't leave him unattended, so he's just gonna sit right here. So y'all gonna have to bear with the squeaks and the barks, and if y'all got something to say, don't do it. Okay, we gotta open it, y'all. I gotta open it. I'm sad because I don't wanna like throw this away. I don't think I'm going to. Like, the packaging is what I mean. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, while I'm opening this, y'all see my eyebrows are already done because I've given y'all what y'all wanted. So yeah. Oh my god. Y'all, look at that beauty. Look at the beauty. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy right now. Like, I feel like I already know what colors I'm gonna use. I'm ready, because I'm gonna use edges because she got my edges snatched. We're gonna use Zam because it's the Zam thing for real. It is, y'all, let me just shut up. I'm ready. I'm ready. We gonna do this. We gonna do this right now. Now. We gonna do this right now. We're gonna put this on the eyelid. And I'm sorry it took so long for me to make this video and finally use the palette, because I've had this since, what's today? Yeah, I've had it for a week now. So I've had this palette for a good week. Okay, so we're just going to blend that out. Yeah, play with your toys. Yeah, yeah. Maybe that's not a good idea because he's going to keep biting the squeaky part the whole video. This boy is a baby. Okay, so now that he's dry, we're gonna go in and use, oh god, we're gonna use the palette now. This whole look is pretty much going to be of the colors that, you know, that's in her palette. So I'm gonna try using transition colors out of this. I'm going to just, you know, I'm gonna do it up with this palette. Ooh, this is a pretty palette. Okay, so we're gonna go in with ginger. Oh yes, honey. Yes, honey. I'm sad because I want this palette to just, you know, continue to look how the way it's looking. I think that's why I really didn't want to use it, because it's just so beautiful. And I can't wait to use this bad boy in this fall, baby. It's gonna be cute. All right, now we're gonna go in with edges. Edges is so just bomb. Everything in this palette is so bomb. Oh, yes. Oh, these colors blend so perfectly together. Hey, Bear. All right. I hear you. I don't know if I can do this through the whole video. All right. So now we're going to go in with Big Wig. This is like a color I've been waiting and dying to use ever since I saw her review on it. Like, I've been waiting, and I'm losing it. I really am. All right. Oh, that is such a pretty purple. Y'all, look at that. Look at that beauty, though. going with my fluffier brush now, and we're just going to, you know, try blending it out so it's, you know, more smooth. Literally, y'all only see like 5 seconds of my blending. I usually take about 2 minutes, maybe longer, to blend. That's just like what I think. I never really just estimate the time I take to blend. Oh, all right. And now for the cutting of the crease. All right, so we got the crease cut to perfection. Hey, this thing gonna have to come off because this looks so janky. Now that we're done cutting my crease, we're gonna go in with Zam. Okay, we're just gonna go in with Zam in the areas that I cut out. It's been a long time since I've really just done a color like this because I've been so into like the really vibrant colors. Like I used to be a gold or a rose gold kind of girl. Now I'm the give me some color girl. And as you can tell, I press my colors in because that just keeps the color more vibrant than just smudging it on there. It keeps the true pigment of the color. All right. Now we're gonna go in with my Benefit liner. Okay, and just to clean up under my eyeliner, my wing eyeliner, I'm just going to use my concealer that I've been using and clean it up. All right, now we're gonna go in with my Benefit mascara so that I can apply my lashes. And then we're gonna go with my Miss Lashes. It's a different pack. This is the 3D Lash M220. So, 220. They pretty. They natural, but they not natural. Okay, and then we're gonna go on the bottom waterline and just put this brown liner on. And now on my bottom lash line, we're gonna go in with credit because you know we gotta get that credit up. So LOL, we're gonna put that on my bottom lash line too. I'll be right back because I need to take Bear outside because I think he needs to go potty, and I'm going to do my face, so be right back. All right, everybody, and this is the finished look. Jackie did it on this palette, man. Like, I love it, I adore it. This is probably by far my favorite palette of the year so far. Most likely it will be my favorite palette of the year. But thanks you guys for tuning in, and I cannot wait to show y'all my next video because it's going to be a little makeup haul. Make sure to stay tuned in. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, show some love, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to follow my Instagram page, Rudy Tate with an _. Same with Twitter if you're interested in following my Twitter and my Snapchat is DDCheck. I'm actually posting a little bit on Pinterest. I actually don't know my name on Pinterest, but of course I'll know before posting this video, so I'll leave that in the video too. Alrighty guys, thank you so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out.